Hi everyone, it's Sal here. It's not every day that I get to come up here. We're now at 7 Guardhouse Road, Banyo, Brisbane. This is where we manufacture all our products, and I'm standing here on our rooftop. I get excited every time I come up here because we have a 99.9 kilowatt solar panel system, and we have over 290 solar panels up here. I'm going to rattle off some statistics because sometimes numbers do get me very excited, and there's one very special number that I want to tell you at the end. But we generate on average about 132 megawatt hours of electricity here, and we only use about 50% of it. So we actually share the other 50% back into the grid. And that's actually really good because in the area where we are, we don't operate on the weekend. So it puts power back into the system on the days where people are at home, probably using more electricity anyway. So it's very beneficial because we're close to a school and we're close to lots of houses here. So it's just very exciting that we have what the Queensland government has issued us with a 3-star EcoBiz rating, which is the highest rating we can have, and much of it is also to do because of our solar panel facility that we have here. What is that magic number? And I just checked. We have a special software to monitor all those numbers and everything, and it translated it into the number of trees that we have actually planted as a result of the reduction in CO2 emissions. And for those of you that are into numbers, check out this number, 8,888. I love my 8s because that is my special magic number. So just to repeat that, 8,888 trees as of today. That is how many trees we technically have planted as a result of the CO2 emissions that we have reduced. Thank you very much, and thank you so much for supporting Perfect Potion.